Gathered here miniature vintage lighters. Let's see what they're all about. Does this one spark? Oh yeah, sparks really well. So looks like we need a screwdriver. Open it up, fill it with gas. Fill it in. It's not going to hold that much lighter fluid. Okay. Wow, instantly. It works. Didn't close all the way. With my big fingers, almost not comfortable to hold it with one hand. But yeah, there you go. Very unique oil lighters right here. Beautiful. I'm starting with the bigger ones. Let's see if this one works. This mechanism is not really working that well. Okay. Oh, there you go. You kind of have to press it and push it down. Cool. Let's see. Oh, it works so well. Nice. Okay, I guess you open it and just squeeze in the lighter fluid. Okay, this one is so unique. I had to figure out how it works. Just press it and it should spin the drum at the same time. There you go. How cool is that? Wow, miniature. They make much bigger ones with this mechanism. So you press down and in. Doesn't spark every time, but it's just because it's older. I mean, it's sparking now. There you go. Very cool. Just warmed out a little bit. Still, I wouldn't refurbish it if it still works. Another one over here looks like Olympics. You kinda pull it back and down, which is much better design than this one, because this one kinda getting stuck sometimes. So let's fill it up with lighter fluid. Carefully without scratching it up. Very easy. Boom. Again, doesn't take as much lighter fluid either. Every time. Soft flame for sure. I like it. Very soft flame. Works every time. Thumbs up for me. Wow, what a beautiful piece right here. For those people wondering what's the name of the lighter, usually it's on the bottom. This one is very skinny and tiny. Wow, it's so cute. Okay, regular foam over here. Again, doesn't take a lot of lighter fluid. It's gonna just soak it up so quickly. Put it back in. Interesting locking mechanism over here. Whenever you open, it's kind of wiggly. Okay. Oh no, it doesn't have flint. How do we replace the flint? It's kind of all over the place, but the flint is over here. It's pretty easy to replace flint. I don't think I have any with me, but it makes sense, right? Just a super tiny lighter. Very nice. I'm gonna replace the flint later. Okay, there's another one right here. Some kind of white dot on it. Sparks pretty good. Seems like somebody put new flint on this one. Oh yeah, because you see it took me a minute till it starts sparking. Same thing. There's markings of the name of the lighter, and the flint is right here. Super easy to replace it compared to the other one. You just have to, just super tedious with that. So I just don't want to do it right now. Because it's so small, the lighter fluid travels from here up into the whatever wick really quickly. So I guess you'd hold it like that, but it's so small I'd have to hold it with two hands and then release it, so that way I don't drop it, because you don't want to drop them. They're gonna dent up and stuff. Okay, and then we're going into something even smaller. So it has this arm, and then it sparks this way right here. This one kinda shot. It doesn't spin that well, but it's so cute. I don't even want to refurbish it unless I give it to a professional, because these ones are really good. I only paid $50 for them. Check this one out. Open this up, and this one spins over here. But how to replace the flint? Very easy. Just unspin this. Let's see if there's a spring or anything, or just a bolt. Yeah, there's a little spring. So all we need is grab a flint, put it in, and it will spark, and it looks like brand new. So maybe they took it out, this flint, on purpose, so it's safer, but it's brand new. So I'm just gonna keep it brand new because it's so unique and so tiny and a good quality. Okay, next step, much smaller one. Same design as this one and pretty much this one, but even tinier. And these ones are already small. There is a lot bigger ones than that. So doesn't have a flint, but how cute is that? I'm not going to replace the flint because again this is such a unique lighter. I'm not going to try to fix it today because I have another one, even a smaller one, and this is cool. I guess the small lighters become very popular, and compared to this thing, it's even smaller. So tiny, I can't even spark it. Lift it up. This one has a spark, nice. So let's fill it up, since it has a spark. Those are pretty similar anyway, so I'll just fill up this one. So small, love it. Ooh, it does not take a lot of lighter fluid, that's for sure. Could probably put a little bit more, but I'm not gonna fill it up that much. I won't be using them at all. They're probably gonna evaporate in a while till I use it next time. Okay, once again, look how cute that is. Camera doesn't even know what to focus. Open that. There you go. Wow. It should be a thumbnail. Whew. So cute. I love it. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this lighter. Close it. It will shut it off. It doesn't seal it all the way, so the evaporation probably will have issue. But for a while before it evaporates, it will probably work pretty good. Super nice. Okay, off. Wow. Again, there's the name of it. Elite something, Elite Japan. So cool.